A pedigree is a diagram, showing the inheritance of a characteristic in a family. Using a pedigree, we can find out which character is dominant. It is also possible to deduce the genotype of a certain individual. This is a pedigree showing the inheritance of curly and straight hair, in a family. How can we deduce whether curly hair or straight hair is the dominant character? First, we can look for a cross in which the two parents show the same character, but at least one of the offspring shows the other character. In such crosses, the character shown by the parents is dominant. This is because, if the character is recessive, that is, the parents are homozygous recessive, all of their offspring must also show the recessive character. Now we know that curly hair is the dominant character. How can we determine the genotype of an individual from a pedigree? Let's try to determine the genotype of individual 9 as an example. Let capital letter H represent the allele for curly hair, and small letter h represent the allele for straight hair. First, we can deduce genotypes of individuals from their phenotypes. All individuals showing the recessive character must be homozygous recessive. Individual 7 has straight hair. She must be homozygous recessive. All individuals showing the dominant character must have at least one dominant allele. Individual 9 has curly hair. He must have at least one allele for curly hair. Then, we can deduce genotypes of individuals from the genotypes of their parents or offspring. Individual 7 is homozygous recessive. All of her gametes contain a recessive allele. She must have passed a recessive allele onto individual 9. Therefore, we know that individual 9 is heterozygous.